After I tried this recipe, I never made any other kind of pasta. So start this recipe by adding water to a saucepan. Now when the water starts to boil, you're going to add some salt and olive oil. Then add your pasta. I am adding 300 grams in total. And you just want to let the pasta cook for 7 minutes, and then we're going to season. So after cooking the noodles, just set them aside. And now let's cook our meat. So in a pan with some olive oil, you're going to add pieces of meat and just stir until it changes color. I mean, look at how beautiful this meat is. Now we're just going to season it. So add some salt, add some black pepper, a little bit of paprika. You can really add any spices that you like. I'm going to add some garlic powder. And now just stir everything together really, really well. Beautifully seasoned meat. Now, once you've finished, we're going to turn off the heat and set aside. And then in a bowl, we're going to add 300 milliliters of water, 80 milliliters of soy sauce, now just 1 spoonful of cornstarch, and you just want to stir and mix until that cornstarch is fully dissolved. You can see how quick and easy that happens. So once that's done, just set aside. Then in a pan with olive oil, we're going to season. So add some olive oil and add 1 chopped onion, 1 chopped tomato, half of a green bell pepper, and then half of a yellow bell pepper, and 1 carrot that is chopped. And you just want to stir well until all of these ingredients are well sauteed. The taste of these noodles is just so super special. It's different, it has an Asian flair, and it's just so, so wonderful. So it's worth making these noodles with the sauce and the meat. My mouth is already watering. Now after mixing well, our vegetables are ready. So now we are just going to add our fried meat. And once that's added, just mix and enjoy your super colorful and flavorful recipe. So we're going to add the liquids and just stir well, and soon that you will see your sauce will become very thick. So just cover until the sauce is nice and thick. That is the texture that we are looking for. So now just add that to your pasta. Whew, it looks so pretty. And the smell is making me so hungry. So these are colorful and tasty noodles. And that's really it. Our recipe is totally done. So just serve it on a platter and call the whole family. Your whole family will love this recipe. This is a perfect pasta for the family. Enjoy.